Today is the first day of summer, and I am going to pull the fire alarm and make everyone go insane. Ha 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 ha.
Everyone, there's a fire drill. We have to get out of here.
Ha ha. Now those classmates are getting out of summer school forever. Huh? These people are running away from the school. I am so awesome.
Oh really, Lee? Don't tell me that you are pulling the fire alarm. Because I know that you are pulling the fire alarm. I saw you pulling the fire alarm. Is that true, son?
Well, I'm sorry that I can hear this, but yes. I pulled the fire alarm.
Lee, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. Now because of you, a lot of students have ran away from the school. That's it. I am going to tell the school that you did.
No 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 no. Please don't check the school. I am so sorry.
Too bad. I am now checking the school and that's final. See? The whole school is on fire.
What is the problem?
Lee just pulled the fire alarm and the whole school is on fire.
What? Oh my god. Lee is in big trouble.